Hello, Chippewa students and families. My name is Molly Hollahan. I'm the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and I would like to personally welcome you to the 22-23 school year. I want to just take a minute to introduce myself and let you know that I'm entering my 4th year as the principal here. Previous to being principal, I was also the associate principal and a dean here at Chippewa, as well as a dean of students at Highview Middle School in our district. My husband and I live and work in the community, and we have 4 sons. Our oldest son is grown and out on his own and working in business and marketing. Then I have a 10th grader and a 6th and an 8th grader that attend Chippewa. So we truly are immersed in this community, and it is a great place to live and work. I want to encourage you to stop by and meet me so I can get to know as many people as possible. We are going to have a fantastic 22-23 school year. We've been working really hard to plan for fun and engaging lessons and social emotional growth for each and every student. So welcome to Chippewa. I can't wait to meet you face to face. Have a great day.